Today we are discussing slider in NetLogo. We can create a slider by two ways. The first way is select the slider from drop down button and the add is highlighted. Then click on any empty space, name the slider. For example, we are naming it a number of people, and this is the minimum range. It is 0 increment, that we set it to 10, and then maximum range we set it to 100. And this is the current by default value. When the slider is created or when it is saved, its values remain 150. And here's units. We can give any unit, Pascal, we can unit meter, number, etc. And then when we click on OK, the slider is created. And here we can change its value because we set the incremental value to 10, so its value is changing by 10 when we move it. We can change its value by using a mouse. And then we have now we are going to create slider, vertical slider, basically vertical slider. So now we are first we created the slider with this add button. Now we are going to create with right click any empty space on the canvas and then click on slider. Name the slider. We name it vertical slider, sorry, vertical slider. And all things are same with the horizontal slider. However, the thing that changed is the vertical. Check mark the vertical slider and click OK. We can see it is same, but just its interface is different. We can use it for different purposes. So this is all about slider. To delete a slider, we have to select it. To select it, there are two ways. First, we have to drag. We have to select the space in which the slider is placed, and the second is right click on the slider and select, and then we can edit it and delete it. In edit it, when we click on edit button, the slider option will be displayed and we can change it and then apply and OK, it's okay, etc. And the second way is we click on edit and then we can change. To delete, there are two options. First, we have to select and then we can press the delete button, then to delete it. And the second way is select the right click on the slider and click the delete button, it will be deleted. Thank you.